This AMS mantle cock, I'm just about to wind it. Made in Germany, very good quality cock, precision instrument. Sometimes that shape is referred to as a Napoleon hat cock. AMS brand, made in the Black Forest area of Germany. Much easier to wind than the Elite, which is almost an industrial type cock. It was so hard to wind. If you see the other video, you'll see what I mean. So what I'm going to do now is wind this cock, and you'll see that it's quite easy. There's an extra hole because this is a chiming cock. So there's one for the chimes, one for the striker, and one for the time. So here we go. Well, it's still not like winding up a clockwork toy. It's still a little bit of effort, but nothing like the effort required. So that's that one done. Now this one here, see? I don't get puffed out winding this cock up, as you can see. And I don't have to wind it as often as the other one either. So there we go. Okay, now we'll just give that a chime test. I'll put it on the half there. It's a Westminster chime. Okay, that's fine. Done.